Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn fast video editing. To begin, select a user-friendly software like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut. These programs offer intuitive interfaces perfect for beginners. Focus on understanding fundamental concepts such as making clean cuts, adding simple transitions, and adjusting audio levels. Start with very short projects, perhaps 15 to 30 seconds long, to quickly grasp the workflow and build confidence. Once you have your software, focus on mastering core techniques. Learn how to efficiently import and organize all your media files, which saves significant time later. Practice trimming clips precisely and adding background music or voiceovers. Experiment with basic color correction to enhance your footage and apply simple effects to make your videos more engaging. Repetition is key to building muscle memory. To speed up your workflow, utilize keyboard shortcuts for common actions. This can cut your editing time by 1/4. Actively watch tutorials from experienced editors and try to replicate their techniques on your own footage. Don't be afraid to experiment with different styles. Finally, seek constructive feedback from others on your edits to identify areas for improvement and refine your unique editing voice. Always look for new challenges and experiment with different editing styles, from vlogs to short films. Stay updated on the latest software features and industry trends to keep your skills sharp and your work fresh. For those who love to learn and read on the go, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Continuous learning is key to mastering video editing and staying ahead.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.